Allways Rewards Visa Credit Card Overview. Welcome to this quick overview of the Allways Rewards Visa Credit Card. This card is designed for those who want to maximize their rewards on everyday purchases without the hassle of complicated redemption processes. It's a great option if you're looking to earn consistent rewards on all your spending categories. With the Allways Rewards Visa, you'll earn 2% cash back on every purchase. Whether it's groceries, gas, dining out, or shopping online, there are no rotating categories or spending caps to worry about. The card also offers a generous welcome bonus. Spend $500 in the first 3 months and earn an additional $150 cash back. Additionally, there's a 0% introductory APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, which can be a huge help if you're planning a big purchase or want to consolidate debt. After that, the APR will revert to a variable rate depending on your creditworthiness. Another standout feature is no annual fee, meaning you get all these benefits without any yearly cost. The card also offers protection and convenience features like zero liability fraud protection, contactless payment capability, and access to your FICO credit score for free. This card is ideal for anyone who values simplicity and consistency in their rewards strategy, especially if you prefer straightforward cashback over more complex point systems. Whether you're a frequent spender looking to earn on all your purchases, or someone seeking to manage interest rates on existing balances, the Allways Rewards Visa Credit Card provides a well-rounded option. Apply today if you're ready to start earning effortless rewards with a card that truly delivers value.